Hello everyone, let's work out on the IUPAC names of these 4 molecules. All the 4 molecules contain 4 carbonyl groups. Here we have an aldehyde, here we have ketone, and then here once again we have aldehyde. Aldehydes always come at the end because aldehyde is a terminal functional group, whereas ketone doesn't come at the end. So we have aldehyde here, aldehyde, aldehyde. Everything else is a ketone because they don't come at the end. Keep it in mind that the hydrogens are not shown in the bond line notation even when it is a aldehyde. And we also know that aldehydes takes precedence over ketones when we do the naming, and therefore the parent chain here is decided by the aldehyde functional group and not by the ketone. Ketone should be treated as a substituent here. So we have multiple functional groups and therefore one takes precedence and the other becomes a substituent. When ketone becomes a substituent, the prefix is oxo. That's the prefix we have to use. For structure 1, let's do the numbering left to right. If we do that, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The substituents are at 2, 4 and 8 positions. On the contrary, if we do the numbering right to left, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the substituents are coming at 2, 6, 8. Which is preferred? Obviously this is preferred because 2, 4, 8 as a set over 2, 6, 8 as a set. Therefore 2, 4, 8 is preferred. Therefore 2-methyl, we need to mention the methyl substituent first because as per alphabetical order M comes first, and then 4, 8 dioxo, and then we have 9 carbon atoms in the parent chain and therefore non. We do not have carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond and therefore nonane, and then we drop the E and then we mention the position of the aldehyde functional groups. We have 2 of them in this case and therefore 1, 9 dial. Do not write O-al, that means alcohol. Okay, so dial. So that's the correct IUPAC name for this molecule. Now in the second case, we have our aldehyde functional group here and therefore we should do the numbering right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore the correct IUPAC name is 3, 8, 9 trioxo because we have 3 keto groups, and then decanal. We don't need to explicitly say decane 1-al because aldehydes always come at the end and we have only 1 here, unlike the previous case where we have 2 aldehyde groups. If you have 2 aldehyde groups, then you need to explicitly specify the position of both of them. But when you have only 1, you don't need to explicitly mention it as decane 1-al. You can simply write it as decanal. Let us work on 3. Let's do the numbering left to right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have our substituents in this case at 4, 6 and 8. On the contrary, if we do the numbering right to left, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the substituents are coming at 2, 4 and 6 and therefore this is preferred now because 2, 4, 6 as a set versus 4, 6, 8 as a set. Therefore 2, 4, 6 is preferred and as per alphabetical order we need to mention the methyl first. Therefore 4 methyl and then 2, 6 dioxo. We have 9 carbon atoms in the parent chain and therefore nonane, and then 1, 9 dial once again. For structure 4 we have aldehyde here and therefore we need to do the numbering right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The keto groups are at 2, 7 and 9 position. Therefore 2, 7, 9 trioxodecanal. That's the correct IUPAC name for structure 4.